Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
How was your last session of N-codes and E-codes?
Awesome.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Amazing,
It
no?
was overwhelming at times.
Yeah.
Alright. So
Yeah.
we will move on to the next activity, which is known as the outcome plus activity,
Okay.
wherein we will have more defined goals,
Mm-hmm.
okay, which will help you achieve your whatever dreams are.
Okay.
Okay.
That's interesting.
So I'll go through the reading instructions and then I'll take you through the tool,
Right.
which will help you out, okay, and you'll understand much better.
Like,
What are outcomes? You now have understood baselines and integrated power coding and realized without these being clear and aligned, anything you try to achieve will be difficult.
right.
Once you have clarity of your baselines and integrated power coding, our outcomes becomes easy to achieve. Have you ever met someone who has lesser skills than you and he's lesser smart than you, but he has achieved much better things in life?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
all
yeah.
the time.
All the time?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is because their baselines are aligned to their actions. Baselines and their ecodes and codes are aligned to their actions. That is why they achieve much better results.
True.
An outcome is a focus point which will change your life.
Mm-hmm.
Unlike goals, outcomes shape your character because they are set with your mental state of mind.
Right.
Having outcome excites, motivates and inspires us to take actions and push our limits.
Mm-hmm.
Your traditional goal setting does not work, but outcomes aligned with your baselines and coding will work like magic. As I told you, why those people have achieved, why you have not
Right,
achieved is
right.
because of this.
Okay.
If you do not know where you want to be, how you will get there, besides knowing your outcomes, it's important to have measurable real outcomes and not just randomly vague goals. How to make an outcome more real and measurable? Let's find out.
All
Yeah.
right, okay.
So in this activity, we will do what I need to focus on.
Yes.
You will come to know. So there are a lot of times things happen like we want to achieve our health goals also.
Right.
We want to achieve our career goals also, and our personal goals
Yes.
also. Yeah.
Yes.
So this tool will help you out to focus on one particular activity,
Okay.
which is the most important one, which
Okay.
which you have to action right now.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Sure.
what you need to do is first write down your at least 50 goals,
Okay.
and then rate them into 1 year goals, 3 year goals, and 5 plus year goals. Okay.
Right.
And post that you will have to take the top 3 goals of yours
Okay.
and take it through the tool which is there. There are certain number of questions which are to be answered,
Okay.
and then you will get a rating out there.
Okay.
And then the system will highlight you which goal you have to achieve.
Okay.
So let's see if it is matching on what you're currently doing or not. Yeah, which
Sure.
will help you out.
Yep.
Okay.
So we'll start with that activity right away.
Okay.
Sure.
So I hope you've brainstormed and written your 50 goals.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Archana, can we share your top 3 outcomes?
Yeah, my top 3 outcomes. Number 1 is converting 10 students and sending them to the universities that we represent abroad.
Okay.
And second outcome is to go ahead with my divorce.
Okay.
And the third outcome is for I had a thought of launching an Insta account and a YouTube channel on Rock Your Decades. So I do want to work on it. So these are my 3 ultimate outcomes.
Absolutely, very good.
And the INCRED process has helped me come up with the ultimate outcome, which is converting 3 students and sending them abroad.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So these are your 3 outcomes, right? What about you, Kunal?
So my top 3 are: first is start earning 4 lakhs a month,
Okay.
and the total score was around 150.
Oh.
Actually, that's the maximum, I think, 150.
Mm.
And second is retire my father.
Okay.
Score was 126. Then third is become debt free. The score is 56.
Okay. So what you say is out of this top 3, which one was the system has highlighted?
Yeah, so the main one was with 150 of score. That was start earning 4 lakhs a month. And because when that starts, I take care of the retirement of my dad, and then I take care of my debt as well. I become debt free.
So that will, I think, if your this 4 lakh rupees a month, what you want to achieve, if that comes, your wheel of life would look more like
better, yeah, because career was so down, and as I realized back then that if career is taken care of, everything else is in place, and that's what the system also showed.
Even your the other 2 outcomes will be achieved very soon.
Yes, absolutely,
Yeah?
absolutely.
Sure.
What about you? Which was the what do you say outcome which the system told you to work on first?
Yeah, as I said earlier, the converting the 10 students and sending 10 students to the universities abroad that I represent was my ultimate outcome that the system threw up.
Okay. Yeah. So since guys you have got your ultimate outcome which you have to achieve, in the next process I will take you through a different tool again. Okay. And we will learn more on this.
Sure.
How you can achieve it.
Sure. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
you.
much.